tell me about a little yourself?
So my name is Marisa Kalita. I recently graduated and I'm very interested in this developing as well in this field.
Why do you want to work in our company?
I enjoy the company's values and work culture. I believe this is a great place for me to grow my skills.
What are your strengths?
I am hardworking, adaptable, and I am able to learn new things quickly.
What is one of your weaknesses?
So I sometimes get nervous speaking in front of many people, but I'm working on improving my confidence.
Great. Do you have any question for us?
No, I think it's enough.
Okay, thank you for your time.